Hello everyone, my name's Yvonne and today I'm going to show you how to make an envelope. The first thing I did was I took apart an envelope and measured it to get the dimensions, and then I've cut it as a square, 21 centimetres by 21 centimetres. I then cut a piece of card 16 centimetres by 11 centimetres. It's slightly bigger than the sort of card you're going to put in it because you need a little bit of a gap, otherwise the envelope would be far too tight for your card. Now what you need to do is position it so that you've got it with a gap there, there, there and there. All right. Now the next thing is you're going to fold across and those 2 points should line up, and then you'll fold up and then you'll fold down. Make sure you press down really well. And basically there's your envelope. Now you can refine it a little bit, which is what I'm going to do next. And I'm going to cut out just little triangles there where it overlapped, and then it'll make a better fitting envelope with less bulk. And the other thing I'm going to do is to go back to this one, and you can see that some of it has been cut and some of it's been rounded. So I'll do exactly the same with this one. And then we'll end up with that. Okay, so there's the corners cut out, nicked out, and put it in like that, like that. Oh, actually it's better if it's that way, it looks neater. And then that comes down and there's your overlap. Now you glue there, there, there and there, so that when you send it away it'll all sit really nicely. So have fun and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.